Hi, friends. Welcome to Pulse on Power BI. Get a pulse on your business. I'm Renee, and I'll be your guide today. So we'll go over two things today. One, what is Power BI? And two, how to create visualizations with Power BI in just a few clicks. So we'll see Power BI in action. Power BI is a powerful data analytics tool that helps us make smarter business decisions by turning data into visual sources in just a few easy clicks. Unlike Excel and pivot tables that would take us hours to go through and get some good data insights. So with Power BI, we can get it in just a few clicks. As we know, companies are in the business of increasing the financial health of their companies, and they do this by meeting business goals for solving business challenges. And they do this through answering key business questions. So today we'll see Power BI in action answering one of these key business questions. Friends, go ahead and put in the full view from your YouTube if you want to get to see the full screen on this. So let's go and take a look at this. Which product is selling the most in our highest sales region? So first we can come on the canvas here and we can go ahead and select our visualization. And if we hover, we'll see the name of the visualization. So this one, we'll click a pie chart. And this works just like Excel, friends. So these are the anchors. You can increase them and decrease it. And once we're within this visualization, and we'll know because we're within the anchors, we can go ahead and select the data, either drag and drop or select it. So let's select it here, region. And then here, we can go ahead and drag and drop the value for the field here. So you guessed it, friends. So Western US is our highest region. So let's take this a step further. So let's come off the visualization or return this visualization into the new visualization. So let's come on the canvas and we'll go ahead and pick the stacked bar chart. And you guessed it, friends. So we'll go ahead and either click and Power BI will intuitively know where to put it, or we can drag it. So let's go ahead and put the product name here. And then let's go ahead and pick the profit on the x-axis. So if we take a look at this, and they're interactive, so when I select Western US or any of the regions, then it'll show me the data that's connected to that region. So you guessed it, friends. So it's soccer ball coming in at over 3,000 of profit. So looking at this question, which product is selling the most in our highest sales region, we're able to answer this with Power BI in just a few easy clicks. Couple of additional advantages of Power BI is you can use it across all industries. You can use just about any data source. It integrates with Excel, and best of all, you can share it with others. And I often get this question, how do we import the data? So I'll give you a little hint here. We can either transform the data here or get the data here. But friends, stay tuned for my next episode. I'll go into importing the data. And we'll go ahead and go through the exercises. I'll have additional videos on creating the desktop to the dashboard. And I will see you then, friends. Thank you.